focus on the flavor of the beat or say the rhythm. So take a little time and let your mind relax.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I look crazy, but disregard that. We're gonna get it together. So in today's video, we're going to be styling a wig that I received from Evawigs.com. But before we get into all of the styling and whatnot, I want to show you guys a clip of how this wig comes. Fresh out the package, I did wash it. She's looking a hot mess back there, but we're going to get her together too. So if you're interested in this wig or in checking out Evawigs.com, I will link them down below in my description box. So let's get right into this. This is how the wig comes packaged. The wig will be packaged in that plastic bag as you see, and it will come with a wig cap. The style of this wig is SK008, color 1B, 20 inches, and it comes with a comb, some bobby pins. This is how the wig looks. It is so gorgeous. This is before I washed the wig, so this is how the wig will come to you straight out of the package. And it is a full lace wig. You get 3 combs in the front, adjustable straps in the back. You can part this wig anyway and style it anyway. So this is how the wig is looking now that I washed it. And I haven't did anything to it other than basically co-washing it. I also sewed an elastic band inside of the wig because I'm hoping to not have to glue it down. So once again, this is a full lace wig. You can part it anywhere, and the cap construction and everything on this wig is made bomb. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Evawigs has some bomb wigs. And I did go ahead and add a little bit of foundation on the lace. So the thing that I like about this wig having a bang and all is I'm hoping for this to be a really good throw on and go wig. I also like how the bang on this wig comes because you get to go in and customize it to your liking. I'm big on bangs, you guys know that if you're familiar with my channel, but I'm not that big on China bangs, but I do like them on me. I just don't tend to gravitate toward them that often, but I've been eyeballing this wig for like a year now. And I'm excited to be trying it. Now, if I wanted to, I could go in and secure the sides down, but I'm not for sure that I'm gonna wear this wig out today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in. Ooh, I love these bangs already. I'm gonna go in and flat iron this hair. I am gonna use this Organics Brazilian Keratin Therapy flat iron spray. And this is how it looks. So I need to listen to some music, so we're going to speed through this process.
Wake up, baby. That's how I start the day off if you let me. I got them smothers in the skillet, plus your coffee's ready. I like it when we sit and talk, plus I know you get me. Ain't no need asking, I ain't tripping, yeah, this ship is steady. We've been at this for a long time. You got a glow about you, baby, glad you all mine. We gon' sip up on this Henny, we can skip the wine. You gonna sexy, see it in your eyes. What's up with that? Me and you, yeah, what's up with that? You trippin'? No, I ain't got enough of that. I'm loving your ways, I love that you real. I'm loving the way you making me feel. I see what it is you been doing. You put the joy behind kill. Believe me when I tell you this is OhSo. Since you've been in my life, it's been OhSo. I'm a ride or die, figure what a ride or die chick. She be slaying like I slay a fool. I put that on a pen. So whatever you do, just be OhSo. When you walk out the door, you be OhSo. If they slaying up in corporate, you get slammed, don't you force it, I'ma leave it to you to be OhSo. So whatever you do, just be OhSo. When you walk out the door, you be OhSo.
Oh, I'm struggling, y'all. I took some of the bump out of the bang. I don't know. I know most people wear their China bangs like right here, but I'm so extra. So it's been about 2 days and this is the finished product right here. It's so bomb. I'm in my feelings with this wig right now. I've been prancing around the house all up in the mirror, just feeling myself. The thing that I like the most about this wig is I feel like it gives me like a different, like exotic kind of look. And I'm feeling it. I'm so here for it. Let me tell you. I kind of struggled, as you guys could tell, cutting this bang. So what I ended up doing is having my hubby cut it. And I think he did a good job, if I do say so myself. You guys let us know down below if you think he did a good job. I'm going to probably insert a clip somewhere showing you guys him cutting the wig. I think he did good, you know, for a fella. He did his thing. I'm feeling it. I am like, yeah, I'm feeling it. So I'm going to show you guys how long this wig is falling on me right now. So I'm gonna put on the screen exactly how many inches this is. To me it looks about 22 to 24 inches, but I'm not for sure if it's 20 or 22 inches. But yes, very long wig that's definitely worth the investment. This is going to be like my go-to wig when I'm in between hairstyles and I don't know what to do and I want to be like a glam kind of casual, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me. So yes, y'all, just get into this. I will be sure to leave all of Evawigs information down below because I definitely suggest this wig. This is that good old income tax money wig because I feel like it's kind of on the pricey side depending on your budget. It retails for about, I think, $379, I believe, is how much this unit retails for. And this inch, if you get it shorter, it won't be as expensive, but I definitely recommend this wig in the long glam state because it's popping. It's popping. And being that it's a full lace wig, I still can braid it or do whatever I want to do with it. I can pull it up into a high ponytail, half up, half down, and just slay in these Cali streets. Yes. So you guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here because it's probably long. I'll be sure to leave a direct link to this wig and Evawigs in my description box, so check there if you're interested. Let me know down below how you feel about this wig on me. I know it's a different look, but I'm here for it. So let me know how you feel. And also, you know, boost up my hubbies, you know. Boost up that ego a little bit and let us know down below how you feel about the way he cut this bang. And until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.